How to make blind. First, go to Music Speed Changer. Oops, get out of that. Okay. Pitches are -3, -5. Now go to Live Motion, tap on blind. Effects, circular ripple, center X is -200, center Y is -100. Frequency is 200. Strife is 100. Phase is 0. Radius is 26. Feather is 100. Next, go to Kaleidoscope. Reflections 2. Center X is 0. Center Y. Oops. Center Y. I gotta change that Y. Center Y is 500. Angle is 90. 0. Now tap on invert. Hue shift. Change. Hue shift is 40. 0. Now press plus audio. And now press the pitches that I showed you. Now result. Now save it. Okay, my old video of blind was not very good. It was bad. It was not the Sony Vegas version at all. Save. YouTube. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. This one is my bad one. Okay, I don't want to show the baby. Oh, my real tongue is pink. Okay. Here's my old Samsung logo balls and blind. History. Now tap on plus, manage, blind. Next, type in. And that is it for today. See you in the next video.